In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate text in Inkscape. Let's get started by launching Inkscape on your desktop. Give the program a moment to load so all the tools initialize properly. You'll know you're ready when you can see the canvas and the toolbar along the left side of the window. Next, either open an existing document or create a new one, depending on where your text lives. If you're working from an existing file, make sure the text you want to rotate is visible on the canvas. If you're starting fresh, choose a document size that fits your project so you have enough room to see your rotation clearly. Once your document is open, center your view on the area with the text so you can work precisely. Now, select your text using the Selector tool, which is the arrow icon at the top of the toolbar. You can also press the S key as a shortcut. When the text is selected, you'll see a bounding box appear with square handles on the corners and edges. At this stage, those squares indicate scaling and resizing, so don't rotate just yet. Confirm you've selected the actual text object and not a group or background element by checking that only your text is highlighted. Click the selected text a second time. Watch closely as the square scaling handles turn into curved arrows at the corners and straight arrows along the sides. This is Inkscape's rotate and skew mode. You'll likely also notice a small crosshair near the center of the text. That's the rotation center, and it shows the exact point the text will spin around. Click and drag any corner handle to rotate the text. Move your mouse slowly to dial in the angle you want, and keep an eye on the orientation relative to your layout. If the rotation feels too sensitive, zoom in a little for finer control. You can also reposition the tiny rotation center by dragging that crosshair before or during rotation if you need the text to spin around a different point, like an edge or a specific letter. If you go too far, don't worry, just drag back the other way or use undo to step back. Here's a pro tip for precision. Hold the Ctrl key while dragging to snap the rotation in 15-degree increments. This makes it effortless to hit exact angles like 45 degrees or 90 degrees without guesswork. Release the mouse when you're happy with the angle, then release Ctrl. And that's it. Your text remains fully editable, so you can still change the words or font later without losing your rotation.